Hello, in front of me I have GARMIN Instinct 2X Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the controls menu on our watch. You can do it by pressing and holding the control button. After the controls menu opens, use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu and select the battery saver option, this icon. Once you select it, you will see the status of the battery saver. As you can see, at the moment it's turned off, and if you want to turn it on, you can press the GPS button, then press the down button to scroll down, and once you skip the information, you will see that the status changed to on and the battery life extended a little bit. And once you're done, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how the battery saver looks like on the watch face. Okay, so that's how you turn on the battery saver. If you want to turn it off, open the controls menu, select the battery saver icon, and as you can see, the status is on. Then press the GPS button, the status will change to off, and the icon will change, and also the battery life estimates will change as well. And once you're done, you can press the back button to go back to watch face, and the watch face will go back to the normal one. And that's how you turn off the battery saver or power saving mode. You can also do this through the settings, so we can press and hold the menu button to open the menu, then scroll through the menu by using the up and down buttons. Find the power manager option. Once you find it and select it, press the GPS, and here select the GPS or other battery saver option and press the GPS button. And here we have the status, and as you can see, now it's off. We can press the GPS button to switch it to on. You will see the new estimate of the battery life, and if you're done, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And to turn it off, press the GPS button on the status to switch it back to off. And once you're done, of course, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.